Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor of his time, is one of the most legendary Stoic philosophers in history. To our luck, a lot of his brilliant insights are compiled in his journal, Meditations. In this video, we'll look into the first chapter of this book, where Marcus reveals his favorite exercise in his self-improvement journey. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Stoicism-related content, and comment down below if you want more insights from Stoic books. The first chapter of Meditations is titled Debts and Lessons. It's a short section where Marcus lists all of the people who have had an impact on him and then describes this influence or the lessons they have taught him. For example, he writes, "My first teacher, not to support this side or that in chariot racing, this fighter or that in the games, to put up with discomfort and not make demands, to do my own work, mind my own business, and have no time for slanderers." Or Sextus, his mentor, kindness, an example of fatherly authority in the home, what it means to live as nature requires. In most cases, Marcus was very specific about the influence these people had had on him. And you should too, if you plan to do this exercise. First, it will teach you to be grateful for those around you and what they add to your life. Marcus repeatedly reminds himself that life is temporary and that every moment should be cherished. And this is the best way to go about it. Also, by writing down each skill or lesson you have gained from others, you will engrave each of them deeper into your mind, thus boosting your self-improvement. Nevertheless, the treasure of this exercise lies in this next step. Marcus does not only state what he has gained from others, he also writes about positive skills other people have that he would like to adopt. For example, he says, "My mother, her reverence for the divine, her generosity, her inability not only to do wrong but even to conceive of doing it, and the simple way she lived, not in the least like the rich." Everybody has positive traits that we would value to have ourselves. Identify them, keep an open mind, and evaluate even those people you might not particularly like. You might be surprised by how many desirable qualities you can extract from anyone. Write each of these down on a sheet of paper, and don't forget to be as detailed and specific as possible. Read this list every day and be grateful for all the amazing people in your life. Try to be like them and adopt their qualities into your own life. There is good in everybody. Cherish and embody it.